So how to share iPhone internet to your Windows PC? Connect your USB cable, and once you connect, then enable your cellular data. Go to your setting, and under setting you can see the cellular. Just enable your cellular data. I already enable it. And the second thing, you have to go your personal hotspot and just enable your personal hotspot. So once you enable your personal hotspot, then you can see the notification on your PC. This one, you can see the notification. So once you see the notification, the second thing is just go to your PC and press on the go to your menu and type control panel. Open control panel, and under control panel you can see the network and internet, and select network and sharing center, and you can see change adapter, and then here you can see the Apple mobile device. So just connect this one, then your PC will be connect with your internet. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.